Friends, welcome to Green Card Guys TV. I'm your host, John Ting. Today's episode, we're going to talk about what to do when you have not received your receipt notice and you have STEM OPT or OPT in general. There's 3 things you need to know at least, so stay all the way to the end to get all the tips. Friends, on February 26, USCIS announced that they are going to be flexible with the OPT, whether it's STEM or post-completion OPT. Now, you might know there's been delays in receiving the receipt notice to your mailbox, and it's been taking at least 3 months for most cases. Now, as I predicted in previous videos, it's most likely because of the pandemic where they had to reduce their workforce. USCIS has also said it's because of delays also in general with USPS, United States Postal Service. The first benefit to know is that they are going to provide you a 180-day extension, automatic, as long as you have timely filed your application, which means before your current work permit expires. So that's very important if you want to get the 180 days extension. Number 2, in general, students who are here on an F1 visa are able to complete a 12-month OPT program within a 14-month period. So of course, because of the pandemic and the delays, it's going to be difficult to complete that in a timely manner. So the government, USCIS, is going to allow you to basically extend your time essentially from the date that your application was approved or will be approved. So the timing of the 12 months will start from the time that your application is approved. So that's a wonderful thing. Now, the third benefit you need to know is if you timely filed your application previously, but for some reason or another, your application 765 was rejected, and it was timely filed between October 1st, 2020 and May 1st, 2021, then you can file it again. So that is a wonderful thing. Now, keep in mind, your second application, your subsequent application, if it was rejected, needs to be filed before May 31st, 2021 for USCIS to treat it as if you're filing it for the first time. Now, of course, you want to read the rejection notice of why they rejected it in the first place. Lately, USCIS, the past 4 years, of course, under President Trump administration, they've rejected for so many different reasons. Specifically, you didn't put anything in a blank and it needed some kind of designation like N/letter A. Now, USCIS has also mentioned in the press release announcement that if you are refiling your 765 because it was rejected, you do not need to provide a new I-20 from your DSO from university, as long as you originally submit an application within 30 days of your DSO's recommendation. And that's for post-completion OPT. Now, if it's for STEM OPT, it has to be within 60 days of your DSO's recommendation. Now, here's a bonus tip. One of the main reasons these applications are getting rejected is because there's a missing signature or a deficient signature. Now, make sure you sign at the appropriate location. If you have any questions about that, please contact us. We want to make sure that you don't mess that up. Friends, if you want to know what to do when your employer wants to see your work permit or work authorization, you'll be surprised by what I have to share with you. Check out the next video.